Time now for Jeff's top 5 weirdest motorhomes.
Nothing to do with any days.
80 days around the world.
Whatever.
Where's it? 90 days.
90 days,
Whatever.
like that. Well, here we go.
All right.
Okay, well, these are the top 5, and my favorites are in these top 5. There's a bunch, but these are my favorites. This one is the Atomic Camper. It's a motorhome that we certainly don't get to see every day.
Looks like a fish.
Well, the consensus from the RV lovers around the world is that this one is the coolest one that they see out there. This Atomic Camper is 16 feet long. Looks like a spaceship from a cartoon. This one's not easily found driving down the road because it is driven in Alaska. While the camper is on the smaller side, it's very inviting, wonderful experience. So give it a go. If you catch up with it somewhere down the road, they'll let you sit in it.
Looks like a fish.
It does look like a fish. This next one is a long VW truck. And I say long, you can stretch the word out. Motorhomes can be a bit of a challenge for large families that are on the go for adventures. This one is a VW truck was built for large families. It does allow a large number of people to lay down comfortably inside of it. We don't know quite how many people fit in it, but they say it's about 10 people.
Looks like it's a VW bus with a fifth wheel attached to it.
Yeah, and a bunch of VW buses all glued together or welded.
So is that
There
a
you go.
36 window?
I have no idea. This next one is the Art Deco. It's a motorhome that's focused very much on style and design.
I like that.
The Art Deco automobile is a tiny home that probably fits a small family. Looks a little bigger than it is, and it's, not really...
Got to slide out?
Got to slide out, but the front, you got a passenger, a driver and a passenger in the front, but the rest of it, living area is designed to be a little bit smaller. It's not really a perfect weekend vehicle, and it's very difficult to maneuver. Try turning that around in a Walmart parking lot. Just saying. If you go to Walmart.
Next
one. This one's cool. It's the gooseneck bug.
Yes, I like that.
Yeah. We can see the cars, motorhomes attached all the time. It's a common thing, but the golden gooseneck bug is probably high up on the list of all these motorhomes.
Weirdos.
Looks like it's made out of wood.
It kind of does, but I think that's just the picture. Those can see the picture.
It's a fifth wheel thing that's attached on the roof.
Right.
Of a bug. Volkswagen
It's
bug.
very simple. It can be easily hooked to the top of a frame of a car. If you notice on the top of the car, there is a frame like a
so Don could
luggage rack.
attach this to his Corvette.
It can also be hooked to a truck. Once it's done, the motorhome is ready to be used, and color choices are there. And, of course, the last one we have is the Tesla Cybertruck. Look at that. Now, I think that's pretty cool. It looks like it's made out of wood. It's not really, but...
it's ugly on both ends.
It's ugly on both ends. There you go. All
Kind of
right,
like
there
you
go.
were last night.
Yeah.
All right. Well, thank you very much.